play! Severe thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union Parish, Northeast. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union Parish, Northeastern Claiborne Parish, and Northwestern Louisiana, Northern Lincoln Parish, until 11:30
Oh, it's back.
daylight time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Homer, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Ping pong ball size hail?
Radar
God
indicated
damn.
quarter-size hail fell earlier near Homer from the storm.
Oh,
The storm hasn't strengthened.
oh.
Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
The storm hasn't, or has strengthened?
Siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
Holy
impacted
crap.
include Farmville, Bernice, Cooley, Dubuque, Marion, Lisbon, Downsville, Spursville, Lilly, D. Arbin, Antioch, Mount Zion, Oakland, Taylorville, Summerfield, Bayou D. Arbin Lake, Corny Lake, Cecil, Corinth, and Shiloh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Claiborne, Lincoln, and Union.
Holy crap.
At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles east of Homer, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Quarter-size hail fell earlier near Homer from the storm. The storm hasn't strengthened. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured.
Oh my
Expect hail
god.
damage to roofs, siding,